Have you ever wondered what secrets our planet still holds? While we've discovered millions of animal species, some creatures are so bizarre and elusive that they continue to baffle scientists. From the darkest depths of the ocean to the most remote jungles, these animals are living enigmas. Today, we're counting down 10 of the most mysterious animals that researchers are still trying to figure out. Get ready to have your mind blown. Let's kick things off at number 10 with the goblin shark. This deep-sea dweller looks like something straight out of a nightmare. Living thousands of feet below the surface, it's rarely seen by humans. Its most striking feature is its protrusible jaw, which can shoot forward to snatch prey. This slingshot feeding mechanism is incredibly unique and helps it survive in the crushing pressure and darkness of the deep ocean. Scientists are still studying its behavior and life cycle, because encountering one in its natural habitat is incredibly rare. It's a true phantom of the deep. Coming in at number 9 is the saola, often called the Asian unicorn. This is one of the world's rarest large mammals. It was only discovered by science in 1992 in the Annamite Mountains of Vietnam and Laos. The saola is so secretive that no biologist has ever seen one in the wild. All our knowledge comes from camera traps and a few individuals that were briefly held in captivity. With its long, straight horns and shy nature, the saola remains a complete mystery. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this ghost of the forest before it disappears forever. At number 8, we have the peculiar eye. This strange-looking primate from Madagascar is famous for its long, thin, and highly flexible middle finger. It uses this specialized finger to tap on trees, listening for insect larvae moving underneath the bark. Once it locates a meal, it gnaws a hole in the wood with its rodent-like teeth and uses that same slender finger to fish out the grub. Its nocturnal habits, creepy appearance, and unique hunting method have made it a subject of both fear in local folklore and intense fascination for scientists trying to understand its evolutionary path. Sailing into our number 7 spot is the legendary giant squid. For centuries, tales of the kraken haunted sailors, and it was until 2004 that the first images of a live giant squid were captured in its natural environment. These deep-sea giants can grow to massive sizes, with the largest specimens reaching up to 43 feet long. Their eyes are the size of dinner plates, the largest in the animal kingdom, allowing them to see in the pitch-black abyss. We know they battle with sperm whales, as scars and sucker marks are often found on the whale's skin. But so much about their lives, from how they reproduce to how they hunt, remains shrouded in mystery. Which of these mysterious animals do you find the most fascinating? Let me know in the comments below. Now, for number 6, we have the pangolin. This is the world's only mammal covered in scales. When threatened, a pangolin will roll up into a tight ball, protected by its armor of sharp keratin scales. They are nocturnal and incredibly shy, making them very difficult to study in the wild. Pangolins use their long, sticky tongues, which can sometimes be longer than their entire body, to slurp up ants and termites. Tragically, they are also one of the most trafficked animals on the planet, which makes studying and protecting them an urgent priority for conservationists. Next up, at number 5, is the okapi. At first glance, you might think it's a cross between a zebra and a giraffe, and you'd be half right. The okapi is the giraffe's only living relative. Native to the dense rainforests of the Democratic Republic of Congo, its striped hindquarters provide excellent camouflage in the filtered sunlight of the jungle. They have long, prehensile tongues, just like giraffes, which they use to strip leaves from branches. Their extremely shy nature and remote habitat meant they were unknown to the Western world until the early 20th century, and they continue to be one of Africa's most elusive, large animals. Swimming into the number 4 position is the coelacanth. This fish is often called a living fossil, because it was thought to have gone extinct with the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. Imagine the shock when one was discovered off the coast of South Africa in 1938. The coelacanth has fleshy lobe-like fins that move in an alternating pattern, similar to a walking land animal. This has led scientists to believe they are closely related to the ancestors of all four-limbed vertebrates, including us. They are a living window into a prehistoric past, and researchers are still working to uncover the secrets of their deep-sea lifestyle. At number 3 is the narwhal, the unicorn of the sea, famous for the single, long tusk that can grow up to 10 feet long. The narwhal is a type of whale that lives in the icy waters of the Arctic. This tusk is actually an overgrown canine tooth that grows right through its upper lip. For a long time, its purpose was a complete mystery. Recent studies suggest this tusk is a sensory organ, packed with millions of nerve endings that can detect changes in water temperature, pressure, and salinity. But much about their social behavior and deep diving habits in the harsh Arctic environment is still unknown. Our runner-up at number 2 is the axolotl. This is not your average salamander. Native only to a few lakes near Mexico City, the axolotl has the incredible ability to remain in its larval guild form its entire life, a phenomenon called neoteny. But what truly fascinates scientists is its mind-boggling power of regeneration. An axolotl can regrow entire lost limbs, parts of its brain, and even its heart without any scarring. This remarkable ability holds incredible potential for medical research, and scientists are working tirelessly to understand the genetic secrets behind its superpower. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dumbo octopus, named for its large, ear-like fins that resemble the famous Disney elephant. This adorable octopus lives in the extreme depths of the ocean, some as deep as 13,000 feet. Unlike most octopuses, they don't have an ink sac because they have very few predators in their deep, dark home. They gracefully fly through the water by flapping their ear fins. Because they live at such crushing depths, studying them is exceptionally difficult. Every new observation provides a rare glimpse into the life of one of the planet's most mysterious and cutest deep-sea creatures. From living fossils to real-life unicorns, our world is full of animals that still hold so many secrets. It just goes to show how much more there is to discover. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content. See you next time.